How to instantly fix Gemini NanoBanana aspect ratio problems when creating or editing images using Gemini Image Preview, also known as Gemini Banana. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. So there is a known issue when you're creating or editing pictures using Gemini with the Gemini 2.5 Image Preview feature. The good news is that there is a reliable workaround, and it works surprisingly well. The trick is to guide Gemini using a blank image that already has the aspect ratio you want. So let's go step by step. First, open Gemini and create a simple tool that generates blank PNG images. You can do this by asking Gemini to build a small app inside Canvas that creates transparent images based on custom aspect ratios. After sending the prompt, Gemini will generate a simple interface where you can choose ratios like 1:1, 4:3, 3:2, 16:9, or even enter a custom ratio manually. Once the tool appears, select the aspect ratio you want, for example 16:9, and download the PNG file. The file will look completely empty because it's fully transparent, but that's exactly what we need. The only important thing about this image is its dimensions. Now we'll use this blank image to guide Gemini. Go back to Gemini and start creating your image normally. Upload your main image or write your image prompt like creating a photorealistic scene. Then upload the transparent PNG file as an additional image reference. In your prompt, include an instruction like use the second image as the reference for the final aspect ratio. After that, click Tools, choose Create Images, and send the message. Now, when Gemini generates the image, you'll notice something different. Instead of producing a square image, it follows the aspect ratio of the blank image. Sometimes you may see small black bars or imperfect fills, but you can simply regenerate the image, and the next version usually fixes it. This method also works when editing images. And that's basically the easiest workaround right now to fix Gemini not respecting aspect ratios. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.